Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify data warehouse loading into Snowflake, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Shopify data warehouse loading into Snowflake, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin panel. Find and click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. Here, search for a data pipeline app compatible with Snowflake. Select an app that specializes in connecting Shopify to Snowflake. Once you find the right app, click on it to view its details. Follow the prompts to install the app. After installation, open the app from your Shopify admin. You will be prompted to connect to Snowflake. Provide your Snowflake account details, including your account name, username, password, and warehouse name. Make sure to enter the correct region where your Snowflake instance is located. Once you have entered all necessary details, click on the button to proceed with the connection. After a successful connection, configure your data settings. Choose the specific data tables you want to load from Shopify. Set the frequency for data loading, whether it's daily or weekly. Review the configurations carefully. If everything looks good, click on the Authorize button to grant the necessary permissions. Wait for the app to confirm that authorization has been successful. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message. Now, return to your Snowflake account. Navigate to the database where you want the Shopify data to be loaded. You can run a test query to check if the data has been loaded successfully. Ensure that the data is accurate and up to date. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Shopify data warehouse loading into Snowflake. This simple process will help you manage your e-commerce data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.